Hey guys, thank you guys so much for all the things that are happening in rehearsal right now. I was looking over Travis's notes for the show for the varsity, and there were a few things that we didn't get to yesterday because we spent so much time on the other areas. One of the things that I really like in the notes is where he talks about during pulling on your threads, that maybe the person at the front, as they're pulled, goes into like an attitude or something that shows kind of a balance, and maybe they're in that attitude and then they extend out of it as they move out of the thread moment. So I'd love to maybe not take a ton of time, but just try that and see if that would work. The other thing that he mentioned is over on side one, when Hannah and Kennedy and Taylor make their clump, and he suggested that they do something to take a breath, because right when Kennedy throws her fabric over, it says deep breath, and so I thought maybe right as she threw it over, they all collapse down and then breathe up, and as they exhale, Taylor goes, then she goes, then whatever, and like it kind of stays the same. But maybe just trying and seeing if you can add in that breath, that up down motion for them, just because it's in the words, and I think that would make it so much better. Then, like Elizabeth, like I talked about in the saber stuff, I think what you're talking about is going to fix it, but just kind of looking holistically at the saber book and making sure that they feel confident with everything enough to be able to like emote up out of it, because there's definitely some parts in the beginning, which I know you said will probably be fixed, that get really handy, but then also just getting them to perform more through the partner stuff, because they still don't look super confident with that. And then there's also a part when they move over into the three lines. I want to say maybe it's right before their quad. I think it's right. I think it's right before the quad. That's kind of a hot mess. That needs to be looked at. And then in general, just touching the flag hit again, because the timing was kind of at the regional this past weekend, and so just giving that a little bit of love. I know that's a lot of things and we only have 2 hours, but whatever you can get done, whatever you don't get done, we'll work on tomorrow and it'll be fine. Thank you guys so much. I love you and I miss you. Bye.